20 inmates and 3 staff members have tested positive for COVID-19 at the Yakima County Jail. KVU's Emily Goodell spoke with the jail about what they're doing to deal with the outbreak and limit the spread of the virus. Emily.
Jail officials say they don't know exactly how the outbreak began, but they are working on contact tracing. Right now, the outbreak appears to be limited to the jail annex, which houses lower-level offenders.
They were notified of the problem Friday when several inmates in the jail annex told corrections officers they weren't feeling well. Medical staff tested those inmates Friday and 12 came back positive for COVID-19. By Monday, the entire jail had been tested.
A total of 20 that tested positive out of the annex, and then we had an additional 3 staff members test positive.
Inmates positive for the virus have been moved to an isolation unit on the 2nd floor.
Hopefully we got ahead of it this time.
The positive tests came from 3 annex units, housing a total of 97 inmates. Those units are now under a 10-day quarantine.
We're going to continue to test every 3 days to make sure we don't have new positives popping up.
If another inmate tests positive, they'll be moved to the isolation unit, and their unit's 10-day quarantine period will restart.
The staff, the officers, the clerical staff all work really hard right now to make sure, surfaces are being cleaned, that they're following the protocols.
Protocols include testing inmates during booking, regularly testing staff on a volunteer basis, and encouraging everyone to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
Jail officials say the inmates who have tested positive for COVID appear to be doing okay right now. However, if their condition worsens, they do have a plan in place to be able to get them to the hospital for the treatment they need. We'll continue to keep you updated on this situation at the jail as we learn more. Reporting in Yakima, Emily Goodell, KVU Local News.